Hey, good evening, guys. Today is March 15, 2020. Right now it's about 7:30 p.m. So I'm at the local grocery store trying to buy some stuff before starting to things getting dicey. I really wasn't thinking of making a video out of this because, like I said, not really crazy about consuming a disaster, but there are just some feelings and experience that I feel important to share with people. And this is what happens in what happens in New York City. So if you're anywhere else, you can imagine how else it's gonna turn out. But it's only a third day, so it's just stay strong, and let's see what we got here. Oh, what the hell is going on, man? Look at that. Now let me tell you what's left. $4.49 per pound. That's why. Oh my goodness. Milk is almost out. Hey Marty, won't be seeing you for a while. Huh? Yogurt is half out. Oh wow. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's a cute St. Patrick's decoration, huh? Alright. All the eggs are out. Looks like I'll be baking my own bread for a while because all the bread is out. Frozen session. You want some frozen breakfast? We still got some. Peanut butter is my favorite. I'm gonna need some peanut butter, but they're all out. It's only got these funny, like less mainstream brands, but looks like I'm gonna take one of these teddies. Well, at least there's plenty of ice cream. Anybody want some? The frozen vegetables are like the cheaper ones are all out. Go man. Anybody want French fries? Fries are out. I'll grab a bag just for my air fryer. Pepperoni pizza. Which one? Let's get one of these. Pasta sauce are all gone as well. Well, the more expensive, follow usual pattern, the more expensive ones are still here. I was gonna come here to get some more flour just in case I can make some pizza. Looks like I have to dash that now. No flour, all taken. Oh my god. No oatmeals. Well, at least there's still pancakes, so you can. I think I'll do these. Okay, looks like that. If I don't know what to say. So we saw the bread session. The bread session was out, and I came here for the flour, and the flowers are out. I don't know what to say. Look at toilet papers. Oh my goodness, toilet papers are out completely. Whether it's like the cheapest one, the most expensive one, they're all taken. Hey, I know diarrhea being one of the symptoms, but you don't have to do this. So the ad says stock your pantry for Passover. I don't know how people feel right now. See, there are we shopping stuff. Yeah, I really wasn't gonna film this, and because I don't feel like what they call consuming this news event, and but I guess once you start doing this stuff in some regularity, it kind of infects you. It's like I feel like there's some kind of compulsion of doing this, but you know, I feel it's important to share with what happens during these events, and with seeing other people buying stuff like this, it's kind of infecting. It's like I wasn't gonna buy these stuff. Look, I never buy frozen stuff at home, I gotta tell you. Okay, so it looks like all the yellow potatoes are out because it's buy one get one free. If you don't mind paying more, you can actually have like this called gold potatoes, russet. Yep, they're still available. No one cares about the chips, so yeah. But in this type of situation, actually, you do want to keep some snacks and sweets just in case, because if the city really gonna shut down on you, there's a huge mental issue, sometimes even greater than a physical issue like foods and stuff. So yeah, anyone who feels like kind of down right now, I'll suggest you keep calling people, keep contacting with people, and keep your hopes up. I don't feel there's really a need to panic. I don't know why. Look at that. Oh my god, the pastas are gone. So I think I'll end the exploration here. Overall, I think we'll be okay. I mean, most of the supplies are not completely out just because we are like shut off or anything, but mostly because of panic buying, and also some kind of, it's generally hoarding behavior. But if you look at the shelves clearly, the stuff that are out are mostly on sale, and like the ones that are still here are like overpriced or higher price items. So, and it's not like they raise any prices or anything, and there's no word of anyone saying, hey, the supplies aren't coming back. So I think it's mostly, like I said, the word, it sounds a little overused, but it's really just a panic at this time. However, humans being a social animal, if you see some other people doing this, you are very compelled to do something very similarly. So, like I said, stay clear, stay strong, and we'll be fine. All right. Thank you, and have a good day.